This week we are going to be celebrating National Seashell Day, which is June 21st each year. To celebrate this day, we are going to make a mermaid crown, something like this here, and I'm going to show you how to make it. What you'll need is going to be a garden wire, some twine, some felt, and some seashells. If you want to get creative, you can use some gems. We have these assorted ones here. I have some jewelry here from an old necklace that I had that I'm going to use. And then I've got here an assortment of little rocks and gems together, which you'll get something like this in your package. As you can see, there's like little rocks in this little package too. You'll also need a hot glue gun and some glue stick. Okay, so let's get started. To get started, you're going to get your garden twine and kind of bend it into a semicircle. You're going to get the ends and make a little loop so that we can tie this twine into it or to it. Then we're going to take our felt and you're just going to dab a line of glue along this edge here. And you're going to glue it. And so now you have something that's starting to look like a crown. You'll take your twine and you'll tie it to your little loops. And then next what you're going to do is you're going to see how you're going to glue your seashells. You might get like a seashell this type, or you can get one that kind of looks like a unicorn. But you can arrange it whichever way that you like, whichever way you think will look pretty on your crown and that might fit it. So I'm going to do mine a little something like this. But you can do yours whichever way you want, because really this is just to play or to wear for a fun day at the beach, or if you want to play with your kids, or if you want to make one for a grandchild, daughter, you can. And then you're going to get your seashells and glue them on the way that you arrange them. So once you have them all glued up, it's going to look something like this here. And then you can take your gemstones and rhinestones and whatever you have to decorate them. I have this, I'm just going to get this one here and glue it at the center. And then looking at your packet, like the one that you guys or everyone's going to get, I'm going to maybe put some rocks in here too. And you can get as creative as you want, put as much bling in here as you want. But at the end, it could look like something like this here. Ta-da! Don't forget to sign up to our Ocean of Possibilities adult reading program. It's really easy. You just go to our website, register, and we will be having weekly drawings for $25 gift cards for local restaurants. All you got to do is just register one book a week. It could be a child's book, adult book, magazine, just anything that you read. It's really easy. And we are just trying to encourage you and your family to read more this summer so that you can model that reading is a good form of entertainment. Hope that you get signed up and you guys have a good day.